Hi everyone, I'm Nataman Penpon, the CEO of Octotrust Trust. So today I would like to present our service, the AWS Cloud Security Review Service. This is the comprehensive security assessment for customers who are running on the workload on Amazon. So we would like to present you the framework and best practice or the standard that we use in this review. So if you are interested in our service, we have the contact channel or the email address that you can contact us in order to request for the review service. Let me continue to the presentation. As cloud adoption is actually accelerated, the security responsibility shifts. While AWS secure the infrastructure, organizations are fully responsible for securing what they build inside the cloud. Our service helps you understand your current security posture, benchmark against global standards like CSA, AWS Well-Architected, and CIS. And most importantly, we would like to close all the gaps that you have in terms of the security exposures. Why cloud security matter more than ever? Cloud breaches are rarely caused by AWS failure. In fact, actually 90% of the cloud breaches are due to the customer misconfiguration, not the provider issue. As a cloud, most of the cloud service provider like Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, they provide the share responsibility structure. So nearly half of the organizations have experienced cloud-related security incident in the past year. And the financial impact is significant, averaging over $400 million per breach globally. The key issue is the shared responsibility model, as I mentioned before. AWS secure the cloud infrastructure, and you are responsible for the IAM, encryption, network security, logging, monitoring, and compliance review. So our service exists to ensure that you are not exposed within the shared responsibility boundary. Our AWS Cloud Security Review is 330-degree health check. So we assess your AWS environment across account services and workload. We benchmark the findings against CSA, AWS Well-Architected Security Pillar, and CIS benchmark. We report the detailed risk rank findings with business impact and remediation steps. Remediate to prioritize 30, 60, 90-day roadmap. And at the end, you will clearly understand where you stand, what risks exist, what to fix, how to align with global standards. This slide explains the multi-framework assessment approach that we are going to rely on. Our methodology is built on three globally recognized frameworks. First, Cloud Security Alliance, or the CSA. This is the most comprehensive cloud governance framework. The second is the AWS Well-Architected Security Pillars, the AWS native best practices for secure workload design. The third one is the CIS AWS Foundation benchmark. This is a technical baseline of the around 58 plus security controls. By combining all of the governance, architect, technology baseline control, we ensure both strategic and operational coverage of the rebuild. Next slide is actually about the 14 security domain of the Cloud Security Alliance. The CSA actually gives us the enterprise level coverage across 14 security domains, including governance, legal infrastructure, application security, identity management, incident response. It includes 197 control mapped to ISO 27001, NIST, and PCI DSS. If your organization is preparing for certification or enterprise customer audits, CSA alignment provides strong credibility. This layer ensures your cloud security posture aligns with global regulatory and compliance expectations. This slide is actually about the AWS Well-Architected security pillar. The AWS Well-Architected framework focuses on secure design principles. There are 7 core design principles, including strong identity foundation, traceability, layer security, automation, and incident readiness. We also assess 6 focus areas like IAM, detective control, infrastructure protections, data protection, incident response, application security. Importantly, we use the official AWS Well-Architected tool to conduct formal reviews and generate AWS validated reports. CIS AWS Foundation Benchmark version 3, Part 2. CS is the Center for Internet Security. There are around 58 plus control in 5 sections on the level 1 and level 2 profiles. The CS benchmark is highly practical and technical. It includes 58 prescriptive control across IAM, storage, logging, monitoring, networking. It defines level 1, essential baseline security, and level 2, hardened environment for sensitive workloads. This ensures your AWS account configuration meets global accepted security baselines. What very well, we complete the AWS security coverage. Our scope of review covers AWS organization and multi-account setups. IAM user roles, policies, S3, RDS, EC2, Lambda, EKS, and other services, logging and monitoring configuration, network architect including VPC and security group, encryption and key management, security tool like GuardDuty and Security Hub. We assess both configuration and architectural design, not just surface level checks. There are 5 phases of the delivery methodology. This is the structure proven that typically complete the review within 4 to 6 weeks. Phase 1, discovery. We understand your architecture, scope, and access phase. Phase 2, assessment. We conduct technical review against all these 3 frameworks. Phase 3, analysis. We validate findings, determine business impact, and risk rank issues. Phase 4, reporting and workshop. We deliver detailed reports and walk through remediation priorities. This actually ensures transparency, clarity, and actionable outcomes. What you receive? You receive the complete deliverable package. Every engagement includes 4 comprehensive deliverable design for all organization stakeholders. The first one is the executive summary report for leadership. Second one is the detailed technical findings report with evidence. Third one is the risk rating and severity classifications. Last one is 30, 60, and 90 days remediation roadmap with parallel reporting for both executive and technical teams. Slide 11, the risk rating model. All findings are actually risk rank. We have split the ranking into 4 different ranks. The first one is the critical one, which requires immediate remediation required. Second one is the high, which is the significant risk exposure. The third one is the medium, is the moderate improvement needed. The last one is the low one, which is the best practice enhancement only. And each risk include clear description, evidence, business impact, recommended fix, suggest service level agreement. It actually helps leadership prioritize investment and engineering team focus on the high impact remediation. To an automation, we actually combine the automated scanning with expert validation. The two main include AWS Well-Architected, the AWS config, guard duty, security hub, custom scripts, and manual validation. Automation finds issues. Expert review ensure the contact accuracy and practicality. Then coming to the slide of the service packages, we offer 3 packages. The essential one, the first one is the best for reviewing the baseline CIS and core security posture review. Advanced one is the review across multi-framework assessment, including CSA and AWS WAF. The last one, enterprise, we perform the full-scale review, multi-account environment, executive workshops, and remediation advisory. The advanced packet is more popular for organizations scaling for their cloud footprint. So why you have to be partner choosing us in the AWS security review? We actually have the expertise in review before. We have the world-class best practice and standard and tools that we can use scan throughout the configuration system in your environment. And we have the certified AWS security practitioner who have expertise in the review. So we have knowledge, we have expertise, we have real world implementation experience before. So we don't just only produce the reports, but we help you close the gap as well. We provide the practical recommendation for you in order to apply to the operation. So our approach is practical, business focused, and aligned with international standard. So if you're interested in our services, the real services of the Octoris Trust, feel free to contact us. We will be surely available to provide your initial recommendation. And if you have any question or would like to discuss about the package of the review, which one is actually suitable for your organization, so we would be more than happy to talk about this ones too. So I would like to close this presentation and thank you for listening. Feel free to schedule a discovery call to define the scope and begin assessment. And last but not least, I'm happy to present the service today and we'll be more than happy to take any questions that you may have. Thank you.